Hey guys, I'm racing the clock doing the video because it's closing time and I'm waiting for someone to come and pick up a fan from me. But I needed another person to do the spin down, so I wanted to do that well before Grant left. So you see we did some changes to the display. Little mushroom fan sold there and put out that spiral, or I can't remember what those are called. This came in, and since these light kits only look saleable when they're sitting like that, I decided to put that there instead of the fan that was there. The fan that was there is now there. So let's do a spin down. Just Grant hit the power strip over there. And then I can get rid of Grant. You ready? It's on the, it fell, it's hanging. Look down. See it? Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you, Mr. Grant.
Yeah, absolutely.
What?
Rags.
Yeah, okay. Remind me in 5 minutes.
I'm leaving now.
I will forget.
That's what's nice with those new racks up there.
So let's see. Thank you, Mr. Grant.
Absolutely. Have a good weekend.
See if I can get all these in one shot. Yep, see you Tuesday. Okay, so it looks like the little mushroom is first. And looks like the footprint vent is next. Followed by maybe the design house. Followed by the darker heritage. Followed by the lighter heritage. Followed by the summer breeze. Followed by, let's see which one is next here. Looks like the Encon, and then the spiral, well, whatever those are called, swirl, will be last. So this is the new display. That's the first time a fan sold off the display, which is good to know that that happens. I did put signs up saying that they were for sale. Okay. This came in and went out today. Came in and went out today. Andy's thing is still there. These came in before, went out today. This came in and went out today. Still here, still here, still here, still here. This was in the backlog and went out today. This was in the backlog and went out today. This was in the backlog and went out today. Still here, still here. That was on the display. Those were in the backlog and went out today. We did sell a bunch from over there. These two still here. We sold one from up here. And I didn't replace it. I just spread them out a little bit because it seemed too crowded up here. But everything up here is still here. It's interesting now, at the end of the summer, we're selling more small ones, flat ones, huggers. I think that's because of, what we're seeing is a lot of landlords getting properties ready for school starting. Only thing new in back that didn't make it out is this Grand Turn of the Century. These are still here. Nothing else interesting back here. That lamp's kind of cool. Let's see here. Medium, low. medium low, medium low, medium low. Let's plug these all back in. Medium low. That should be low. Yeah, those are low. Medium low. Okay. And the last thing I'm going to do, first I'm going to go and just show you. Turn off, because I forgot to bring my labeler, so there's still a couple breakers that aren't labeled for light display. There's Craig.
I have a label maker in my office.
Ooh. Well, that could solve that. Otherwise, I'll remember. Oh, that did get them all, though. Well. Okay, well, that's it for the video today. We will see more about Craig's label maker. Thanks for watching.